The sweetest part of mango season is how effortlessly it turns every meal into comfort food. Today I'm sharing 4 simple ripe mango recipes that are fresh, homely, and full of summer flavors. From a juicy salad to a comforting paisam and even a Kerala-inspired curry. Let's get started. First, we are making a ripe mango curry inspired by Kerala's mango pulissery. For this, peel 4 ripe mangoes and keep them aside. Take the mango peels in a bowl with half a cup of water and squeeze out all the extra pulp from the peel. Keep this aside too. Now in a pan, add the peeled mangoes, 1 cup of water and the mango peel extract. Turn on the heat and add turmeric, salt, grated ginger, 1 tablespoon jaggery and 1 dry red chili. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes, turning the mangoes in between so they cook evenly. Next, add 1 cup of thick coconut milk, 1 tablespoon curd and 1 teaspoon jeera powder. Let this simmer for another 5 minutes. For the tempering, heat 1 tablespoon oil in another pan. Add mustard seeds, jeera, 2 dry red chilies and a few curry leaves. Pour this over the curry and garnish with coriander leaves. Serve this hot with rice. It tastes even better than it looks. 2. Chilled mango chia pudding. In a bowl, add 1 cup of coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of jaggery, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder and soaked chia seeds. Mix everything really well. Now start layering this coconut chia mixture with mango puree in a glass. Add a little muesli in between for some crunch. Finish it off with ripe mango pieces and a little more muesli on top. Let it chill for some time and your mango chia pudding is ready to enjoy. 3. Mango paisam. Now let's make a comforting mango paisam. Heat a tablespoon of ghee in a pan and fry a handful of cashews on low flame till golden brown. Keep them aside. In the same pan, add cinnamon sticks and let them release their aroma. Now pour in 1 cup of milk and half a cup of soaked sago. Stir this on low flame for around 10 minutes till the sago turns translucent and is almost cooked. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of jaggery and mix well. Once the paisam is nearly done, switch off the heat and stir in 1 cup of mango puree. Finally, add cubes of 1 ripe mango and the roasted cashews. This mango paisam tastes warm, comforting and perfect for the season. 4. Mango salad. And finally, we're making a fresh mango salad. Chop 1 cucumber, 2 plums, some cherry tomatoes and 2 ripe mangoes. Now in a large bowl, add some lettuce, all the chopped fruits and veggies and a few olives. For the dressing, take a tablespoon of honey, juice of 1 big lemon, some pepper and salt. Mix it well until everything combines beautifully. Pour this dressing over the salad and give it a good toss. And just like that, our fresh and juicy mango salad is ready. These are some of our favorite ways to enjoy ripe mangoes beyond just eating them as they are. Which one would you try first? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you in the next recipe video.